Hi, my name's Dominic Davis, and I'm here today to show you the shooting review for the M21 BB gun. Like I said before in my earlier video, it's a really good gun, like I said, which reminds me to say this. I need you, please, to go and subscribe to my channel and look at all my videos, okay, please. And I've got a new gaming series coming out, and you wouldn't want to miss it, trust me. So alright, let's get to it. Got my cans set up here. Like y'all. What are they? Oh, they're right there. Alright. So got all my cans set up here. Got all of them set up, and I'm gonna be shooting from afar so you can see. Okay? See the replay. Alright, let's do this. First, I'm going to go for the Gatorade bottle. Alright, I don't know if you saw that, but I hit it right there. We got it right here. I don't know if you could see the mark, but I got it right there. Out. Alright, now for the Coke bottle. For the Coke can. The Coke can now. Keep watching. Got it. Alright, I got the Coke can. I don't know if you saw it wobble back and forth, but I got it. So, get out of here. Alright, now here's the milk jug. Alright, got him in my sights. Got it. Got it. Look at that. See the little mark right there? See the mark? Right there? Look at it. Just look at it. Little can. Look at, I got the little can. I got it. I got your little can. Well, alright. You deserve to die. Put him out of my misery. Put him out of his misery. Got him. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please smack that like button as many times as you can, and please subscribe to my channel for all the awesome videos that I make. Please just subscribe. Well, alright, thank you for watching. Yeah, badass shot.